there's always the next level. So try to develop yourself to take yourself to the next level. You have to do that. That's the point in life. You know, you have to develop your own life. No one is going to develop it for you. So you have to put all that you can put in to develop your own life, your own self. You are your own investment. If you don't invest in yourself first, no one will invest in you. And then you won't get the opportunities that lies in front of you to get, for you to reach to the next level. So first you have to start by educating yourself, because some people just leave college and leave university and never take a book again. They don't even read a book from their university, from their college, and expect to develop and reach to the next level that they want to reach. Sometimes you have to keep on pushing and educating yourself for you to reach to the next level, because the next level is there. And if you don't develop and push yourself and invest in yourself first, because without you investing in yourself first, it doesn't even make sense. It's not gonna make sense if you don't develop and invest in yourself first. So make this be your goal. Invest in yourself first. 3-4 years of self-investment in the long run, it's going to pay. You can't get up and work for 10-15 years for a person and just collecting a little salary and you think that's life. No. You have to invest in yourself to develop, to go to the next level, to try to even put yourself in a position where you could own your own business. Your first paycheck is the drugs that distract you from your goals. So keep your goals in sight. Always keep your goals in sight. And always see yourself as a person who can develop and own your own business and own your own stuff, that you don't get up to work for people for the rest of your life. I see people work for people for all the years of their lives, and they just sit and get pension, and there's a woman sitting and just living off a pension. The pension can't even pay the bills, and it looks like it's gonna run out before they die. So you have to kind of see things different. Go with the owning mentality. Don't go with the worker mentality. Sometimes we have to work to kind of develop ourselves, to kind of reach to the next level. That's no problem. But don't take it as the last resort, like I'm going to work till I hold and sit and wait. No. Try to develop yourself, to own your own business. Find what you're best at. Fine-tune your talent. Fine-tune your talent and try to develop a skill that can take it to the next level. Because there's always the next level. So try to develop yourself to take yourself to the next level. You have to do that. That's the point in life.